Alright, fun story time about when I got back into firearms and shooting roughly 3 to 4 years ago. I took about a decade-long break from shooting and guns. I got back into it since I've had my daughter. But the first one that I bought, this isn't it though, was a uh, Glock 43X MOS on the secondary market. I picked it up. Everything looked good initially. I didn't do all the safety checks, but guys seemed pretty reasonable and trustworthy, so I grabbed it. Price was good. It came with two S15 Shield Arms magazines, Gen 2s at the time, and the magazine release, plus something else I can't remember. The gun didn't look like it had too many rounds on it. It wasn't too dirty inside, so I went and checked it out. First time I went to the range, I had a lot of feeding issues. Basically, it would fail to feed every time. Like get the magazine in there, and when you get a new round in there, it would hang up. The round would hang up like on the feed ramp. And I wasn't sure what was going on, but what happened was after I checked it out, I initially thought it was a Shield Arms magazine issue because I saw some reports of people having issues with that. But you see currently the firing pin is sticking out of the breech face. That's just kind of free floating, and they're supposed to float back and forth while it's locked open. But as it's getting cocked forward and the firing pin is getting pulled back, it'll get retracted back and be locked before the trigger gets pulled. What happened was, for some reason, well, I know the reason why, but that firing pin was actually sticking out and getting stuck, sticking out of the breech face. And when the round was getting fed, so let's say that's it right there, it wasn't retracting when it got here, and then the round's cartridge rim would get stuck up there, and that's why it would fail to feed into the round. So it would never feed the first round correctly or feed subsequent rounds. Sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't, but it took... Luckily, I caught onto it early before an issue happened. Like, for example, had I had a round in the chamber like that, and I would have just let it go, if that thing was stuck really far out in there as far as not being able to be pushed back, it might have had enough pressure to set off the primer and shut off, and have a ND or something. By the way, these are just dummy rounds. They're weighted rounds with no primer, no propellant or anything in there. Just a little dummy round that I use for practice. So I'm glad I caught that early, so I realized that was what was causing it. So I ended up disassembling it, taking out the firing, the striker, all that stuff. And it had so much gunk in the firing pin channel that it was gunking up the striker and causing it to being stuck and sticking out of the breech face. I don't know how long they had it like that, or I'm assuming that they just got a bunch of oil or some kind of debris in there, because even for thousands of rounds, I've never seen a Glock get so gunked up inside the striker channel that it would, cause a firing pin like that to just stick out like that, which was crazy to me. But I'm glad I caught that early. I actually contacted him. I said, hey man, I don't know if you had issues with your Glock, this Glock 43X while you had it, but I finally figured it out. It had a bunch of gunk causing the striker to be stuck pretty much in the channel, and he never replied. Actually, I went back to the website that we use for local, person-to-person transactions, and he actually had some pretty bad feedback after I had dealt with him, which I left him good feedback because I got what I wanted. I'm not sure. I don't think he knew too much about that issue or knew how to even fix it. He just didn't want to disclose it. But it goes to show you guys, don't ever get oil or anything in there. If you are cleaning it out, make sure you're using acetone or some kind of a non-oil based cleaner inside there. Make sure it's dry before you reassemble it. No oil in there whatsoever. Clean it out really good. I just did a cleaning yesterday. I really didn't clean out most of the gunk on like the other stuff, but I did clean out the striker channel. It wasn't oily per se, or it didn't have any kind of like wet liquids in there. It was just, propellant and carbon and stuff like that. But I'm kind of paranoid, so paranoid that I clean that more often than pretty much anything else on the gun, other than like the feed ramp and stuff sometimes, and I'll keep everything oiled. But yeah, I don't know if that story conveyed properly the way I wanted to, but yeah, that was a problem I had. It would have been pretty scary if that firing pin was stuck so hard that when it struck the primer of a cartridge in the chamber, that it would have set it off when I was not ready to fire. That would have been pretty bad. But I'm glad I caught it. And yeah, as far as the Shield Arms mags, after I figured that problem out, didn't have any issues for thousands of rounds. I even ended up buying additional Shield Arms magazines for that 43X without any kind of issues whatsoever. But yeah, just thought about that story when I first got back into shooting when I was cleaning this thing out last night. But let me know if that story made sense, or if I'm thinking that was the correct problem. It could have been something else, but I did notice this thing was sticking out even when the slide was closed. It wasn't like it was getting stuck open and had a lot of gunk built up in there. But anyway, y'all be safe, be smart about your firearms. You don't necessarily have to clean them all the time, but make sure they're in full working condition. So take care.